Good morning, you lovely lot. So it's a sunny morning, the birds are singing, the windows are open, it's going to be a really good day. And I just thought I'd do a video to kind of take you through my morning routine with me, show you my general... Ooh! Fly. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you what I get to in the morning, the products I use on my hair, and I just thought it'd be a bit of fun, so let's get going. As much as I love you guys, I'm going to draw the line at taking you into the shower with me. However, I do want to quickly show you what I use when I'm in said shower. So I'm absolutely obsessed with the Tresemme Biotin Repair shampoo and conditioner. They look like these. This is like a monster one because I've got quite a lot of hair, as you can see. And I use these every single time I wash my hair. It's like the most nourishing shampoo and conditioner I've probably ever had. Also, I use their instant recovery mask. I think you can use it every time you wash your hair, but I use it probably once or twice a week. And then it just leaves my hair feeling like, well, not what this is right now. You can see my ends are like, they don't even move. So when I use it, they actually flop around like normal human hair. I'm gonna get lathered up and I'll catch up with you afterwards. So I'm not gonna talk you through my makeup step by step because I wear a lot. Like, this skin needs a lot of makeup. So that's my muggins finished. Now let's do the hair. Right, I need to talk to you about something, and it's serious. And it's this. If I can get it out again. So it's the Nexus Nutritive Encapsulate Serum Caviar. All I can tell you is I am obsessed with this stuff. This is by far the best serum I've found. And look how cool it is when it comes out, if this will focus. It literally has like little like white blobs running through it. I didn't really sell that. It didn't sound chic the way I said it, but it looks cool when it comes out the bottle. So I use about that much. And then I just put it through the ends. Oh, it smells amazing too. So, because I've got quite dry hair, the products I use, I don't have to be careful about, but I want to be spending my money on things that I know are actually going to do my damaged, bleached to death hair to good. So this Nexus one, and also the Tresemme hair mask are probably two of my favourite products for dry hair. If I use them both together, then my hair's super supple. And also, I try not to blow dry my hair every day because of the fact that I've been bleaching my hair since I was 18, and it just hates me for it. Today, because I'm actually going out shooting after this, I'm gonna blow dry it with a hairdryer, and then I'm gonna do some kinky waves with my hair straighteners as well. I've got this Sea Salt's Texturizing spray by Tony & Guy, and I usually put this on my hair when it's mostly dry. Probably a lot drier than this. I'll usually blow dry it maybe halfway, then put the texturizing spray in, and then carry on drying it, and it'll dry with a bit more body and volume. But today, because I want to go a bit more voluminous than I usually would, to show you guys the true effect, I'm going to put it on while it's quite damp, and then I'm also going to put it on when it's just about dry. So and then I'm just going to plug this baby in. I'm going to dry my hair straight, so I'm not going to curl it, I'm not going to do anything with it, I'm just going to brush it and dry it and brush it and dry it so it dries straight. And also, one of my top tips, which is probably common sense to a lot of people, but for me it only became common sense very recently, because I was drying my hair like that, kind of upwards. And that's when you get like Monica hair, and that's when it just looks like you've been electrocuted. But if you just dry it like that down, I'm probably telling you what to do, like, well yeah, obviously. But for me, it wasn't that way. If you just dry it from that down, it just dries straight and silky, so straight. I'm dry and I'm hot. For me, waves don't stay. Like when I get a blow dry and they just do it with a brush and the hair dryer, it doesn't stay. Or even if they kind of do this thing where they curl it down, it doesn't stay. My cousin and friend Sarah taught me this trick. We met up and I was like, what have you done to your hair? And it's amazing. And I was with her for about 9 hours and her hair was like pristine. I was like, you need to teach me the trick. So she taught me this trick. And for bleached hair, or the hair that doesn't usually stay put, this works an absolute treat. So you kind of twist it halfway back. And it kind of goes like that. Cool, huh? I love it. And then just gotta do that to the rest of your hair. And also one more thing, when you do the front ones, I don't know about you guys, but the fronts of my hairs are like my baby hairs and they snap. So when you're doing the front bits, just do it super quick. Otherwise, because it's so much drier anyway, the kinks are usually very crisp and ugly, and also it's natural hair, so just do it really quick. And we're done with the straighteners. Really cool kinks, isn't it? And like I said, that will stay for me all day now. And I won't even put hairspray in, nothing. That will just stay. But one last final thing I want to do, because it kind of feels weird for me to have like volume down here and the top of my hair is always quite flat. So I just use the Tony & Guy sculpting powder. It's called Casual Sculpting Powder for mattifying volume and texture. And there are loads of different versions of this out there, but this one's really good for not making your hair really crispy and just kind of feeling like you're gonna have to wash it when you get home. I can still wash my hair now, put this in, and then tomorrow I won't feel like I need to wash it again because it's in. I'll wash it the day after. And you literally just, and you could put this on before you do your kinks, do your curls, but I like for it to be like kind of like my finishing touch. Because you don't know if you're going to need it as well necessarily. You just sprinkle some on. And you fold it back over. And then you just kind of zhuzh it around. You can look one side to the other. That's just got a bit more bounce, whereas that's basically flat. Just finish it off. And also the good thing about this is that you can just keep it in your bag, and if you're out for the day, and your hair's gone a bit limp, then you can just grab it out, and it just has a little twist cap. So you can close it and just keep it in your handbag all the time, which I love. And that is my head done. So I'm gonna get ready and then I'm gonna head out to meet my photographer and we're gonna have a day in the sun. So I'll catch up with you shortly and I'll just quickly say goodbye. Right everyone, so I am off out for the day. It's been so fun kind of sharing how I get ready and actually just getting ready with you guys, chatting, dancing around. I feel like I should do it more often. But yeah, I hope you like my look. Beach waves, I really love them. And again, all the products I've recommended today I really do truly love. I use them constantly, they're my go-to, so take a look at them, try them out and let me know if you've got any questions.